In a compact kitchen, a humble toaster oven becomes a creator, turning everyday scraps into three distinct dishes. First, stale bread is revived into a fragrant herb crostini, topped with roasted tomato dice and garlic oil. Second, peels and cores are transformed into a bright carrot apple soup, simmered until silky. Third, stubborn bits of cheese, herbs, and leftover greens fuse into a quick veggie melt, served with a crisp crust. As the oven cools, a quick compost tip appears about grinding scraps to nourish future greens rather than waste.